So you want the divorce? Okay. You know, I've always thought that if I did everything right, life will turn out the way it's supposed to. I mean, like with my ex. I took care of him. Doesn't it seem reasonable? Doesn't it seem reasonable to think that he wanted to be with me when he got better? But you know, here's what I need you to know about James. My mom was right. I did kill him, but I didn't mean to. The dosage was too high. Aconite. It's a paralytic. And it was too high when ingested. I just wanted to stop him. I just wanted to keep him in one place so we could talk it through. Now, you don't need to worry about that. This time, I'm letting it absorb through the skin. Do I need to point out that none of this will be happening if you hadn't grabbed a weapon? No one is ever gonna love you like I do, Joe. I was so excited to be a mom and your wife. And as soon as I became that, you punished me for it. I mean, you gaslit me so fucking hard that I started to question every single thing about myself. But that little voice in the back of my head that I've been suppressing this whole fucking time, it was right. I'm not the problem. My husband is the problem.